During my very first radio ad 13 years ago on Valentine's Day, I coined the phrase, and it was, "Come as you are and leave feeling fabulous." Hello, I'm Anne-Marie with the European Spa, and this is the season to be thankful for all of you that have been my customers and are my clients today. I'm thankful for your business, I am thankful for your loyalty, and I'm so grateful that some of you will go on to the many changes I'm about to embark on. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your business and your loyalty. I remember all the days at the European Spa at 6906 Lovers Lane and Romance Road. You remember the heydays of Bare Essentials, how it took over our world, and this was the very first place where you could test and touch and feel and look great with Bare Essential Bare Minerals. I have such fond memories, and I for one had a lot of fun. Remember the section on couch in the front where we had bonsai cake on Saturdays and all the couples massages and all the little events and the weddings and all these things. So yes, there will be a lot of change indeed. So I am not retiring, I am changing, and this change is good. The place here on Lovers Lane 6906 will go up for sale on December 30th. Until then, I'm going to be here 12 to 5 every day, and all of my color cosmetics will be on sale 35% off. Then the palm trees are asking me to come and join them in San Diego, California. I'm going to go to California and nationwide go and be a skincare specialist, makeup artist, and help women to look beautiful all over the world. All the products that you so love, like I love, like Glymed Plus, Kryolan, Color Science, and the beauty blenders, and all those products that we really embrace and that help us to look healthy. I want all of that to share with you. So until December 30th, 12 to 5, call me and make an appointment, or just pop in and I'm here. Many gift sets will be up to 35% off. I like to share all of this with you and also make your holiday so much better. Come and enjoy yourselves. Pick a holiday look with all the modern media. Yes, I am willing to learn it all. I want to stay in touch with you. I will be the Twitter girl. I am going to be on Instagram. I am already there. Facebook. We can go ahead and Voodoo and Skype, and we can also go ahead and FaceTime. The product will come to your door. I pay shipping. When I come back to town to see my family, be with my grandchildren here, I have openings for you to have facials, to come and get product, and to simply have a cup of tea with me. I want to see you again. I want to say goodbye until soon, because we will stay in touch. This is not goodbye. This is truly Auf Wiedersehen. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the times we had fun here. And now I want you to look healthy, to be beautiful, and allow me to help you with that. So help me help you to be the best you can look. Thank you.